What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We are doing the team randoms for group break number 215. This is case number 3. So we're going to go live. Live at 1:37. It is 1:37. We got all the names right here. And the teams with the combos. We're going to go 3 times on each list. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3. Jeremy on top after 3. And for the teams, good luck, guys. 1, 2, and 3. All right. Let's do a little scroll. Shane, Minnesota. I think that's 2 one-spotters. There you guys have it. We will do one last timestamp. 1:38. 1:38.